That is an old Carrera bike frame. And that is a custom designed 3D printed missile. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. But first, let's go back to about a week ago when I came up with this crazy idea.
So I was given a Carrera frame, and I have an idea to make this into like a James Bond spy bike. It's going to be suited up with all the gadgets that James Bond would have on his cars. For episode 1, I'm thinking a missile installed in this top tube. So let's get to work. Okay, so now there's a hollow tube which I can slide the missile down, and a hole in the top to detonate it. So now I'm going to hop into the 3D software and design and 3D print a missile. Here we go. Right, so I've got my missile fresh off the print bed. I've stuck a low power model rocket engine in the end, such as this one here, and you can see it fits down into the end of the top tube of the bike. Now I'm going to test its stability and hook up some sort of mechanism to fire it. Okay, so I've tied a piece of string around the missile at the centre of mass. I'm going to swing this round, and if it stays straight in the air, it's a stable missile. Okay, so the missile is unstable, but I'm going to try it anyway. I need to build up some sort of rig to fire this safely.
And after setting up the missile, we were ready for launch.
This is version 1 bike frame missile. Stand by for launch. 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Actually, good.
Boom! That was so cool. Right, so after that, I've redesigned the missile, and I've done it in 2 sections this time. There's a main body, the same as last time, and there's a cap that goes on top. So I printed this out, it's here. The main body I filled with heavy magnets, these magnets here. And I've been putting more magnets in each time, testing it with the string, same as before, until I get stable flight. Seems like I need a bit more weight in there.
This is the special non-sticky tape.
That is so much, it is like that. It's the special sellotape that has no stick at all. Specially designed for when you want to not stick stuff together. Test number 4, version 2, bike frame missile, stand by for launch. 3, 2, 1. Fire!
I just gathered old leftover components to try and build up this bike.
Okay, so I'm like 3/4 of the way through spraying and I ran out of paint and it's going to take a while to get here. So I reckon that's pretty much good enough. Especially for a rough build like this. So, the bike works. I guess now we just have to test it.
So I set the bike up, ready for launch.
Okay, this is test flight 5, rocket version 2, standby for launch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! 3, 2, 1.
And one more angle for good measure.
Okay, so obviously it's not the most practical in a war zone situation because you have to keep the handlebars straight and a bunch of other things. One more thing to add. Just as I was about to press the button, I realised the jettison hole from the rocket is right next to my leg. My leg didn't get burnt, I was fine. Thank you for watching.